I made a mistake. I'm overextended. There's too many cars here. Everything's got to go. Hey guys, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. I'm Josh. Look at this. There's Plymouths back here. Lots of Plymouths. And yes, I never thought I'd say these words. I've got too much stuff. Everything's got to go. Well, not everything. A select little bit, tiny little bit of stuff's got to go. Let's take a look. First up on the chopping block, check it out. 87 Corvette chassis. I traded a 4L60E transmission for this to my buddy Jim, and this is how he had it. Or you might have taken some parts off it. This is how I got it. 87 convertible. I haven't done anything with it besides push it back here and put the top up. It's pretty much just the suspension. The doors are actually nice shape, but that's because they're just, oh, they're full of leaves. Outdoor storage and no windows bad. I mean, they're not going to go bad, but it's a 87 Corvette. I thought I wanted the suspension to use in something, but the chances of me actually using it anytime soon are probably slim to none. I just happened upon it when he had it. So my buddy Jordan's got it on the face space on the interwebs. We're going to get rid of that. I'm going to ask him $600. It'll probably be gone by the time this video comes out because I feel like $600 is relatively cheap for a C4 Corvette suspension. Even if it's kind of outdated technology now for what people are swapping in, it's still a good deal. So that's going. That's on the face space right now. This one's going. 41 Mercury Coupe. I bought this on a whim from a guy in the car club a few years ago. I've collected the parts. I got a nose beak that was missing for it there. I got a grill for it. Kind of bolted it all together. I've got this on the interwebs as well. It's on the ham. I wanted to do this car as a custom, but now I got the Plymouths. This has got to go. I'm not going to get to this. 41 Mercury Coupe. It needs rust repair in the floors, the rockers, the trunk floor. But it's mostly there. Most of the trim is in the trunk. Sat in a junkyard with the window down forever, but it's mostly there. Oh, don't wreck the good dash with your Plymouth fender wells. Yikes. Amateur mistake. Anyways, this will make a good early custom, 1 year only body style. Mercury's are 4 inches longer in the front, between the front wheels and the cab. They're 4 inches longer than a Ford. This car is fairly solid for what it is. I got it on the interwebs, like I said. I'm down to 1,600. Just got to make a move because I'm not going to get to it. So that's got to go. So that's pretty much it for the cars. I might have clickbaited you a little bit with the sign on the Plymouth. That's going to make a good thumbnail, I think. But those two cars got to go. Like I said, I'm not going to use the Corvette anytime soon. Pedal it. The 41 Merc, not going to build that now. I got all these other, the Plymouths and all my other projects. That's going to sit there for another 10 years in that canvas garage. So that's going to go. Hopefully I can get some money out of them. Oh, I went to a swap meet today with my van, trying to sell some stuff. The car club had a swap meet. And I took a few things and I came back with more stuff because I bought out my buddy Chad for he had a whole bunch of crap. He was getting rid of his stuff. So I gave him 50 bucks for everything he had. And I bought a gas pump for the gas station. Let's take a look at that now and other miscellaneous junk. So let's go check out the van. Got the old boogie van here loaded down with lots of stuff. Let's take a look. Oh, what's this? Now, like I said, I must confess, I went to the swap meet with a little bit of stuff, and I did sell a couple things, but then I came back with a lot more. It's a problem. So first of all, I bought this awesome Shorty gas pump, and it was reasonable. What does it say? Gasoline only, no smoking. It's a more, I'm going to say it's from the 60s or 70s, but it takes a globe on top. We'll get it out. I'm going to try to get it out here. We'll take a look at that. We'll set it up at the gas station. But I got some cool stuff. One of them being for my friend Jack. Check this thing out. What does that say? Pneumaticator tank gauge, 1915. So that's super cool. Not exactly sure how it works. That's going into the display. And then my friend Chad, like I said, I bought a bunch of stuff from him. I got some oil cans, some stick in the can toppers there. Got a jerry can lid that goes in a jerry can so you can pour out of a jerry can. Ooh, look at that nice brass screen. Got that. Oh, little Mazda, Westinghouse Mazda lamp box. Carry spare lamps. Who's texting me now? A bunch of hubcaps, some other nonsense. Let me get some of this out of here. We'll take a look. These are some things that I had for sale that I got from, this is a bunch of valve covers. I won't open it up, but a bunch of like chrome, Edelbrock, and stuff like that. Valve covers. Miscellaneous junk in here. Some LS computers that Chad had that I don't know if I'll have any use for, but maybe I'll pawn them off somewhere. A couple of car radios, emergency brake out of something. That's actually handy. That could be retrofitted to something. What we got here? This is stuff that I had here. A bunch of hubcaps are random, like Ford and old Nova hubcaps, like $2 each. Had a 30-something heater in here for a Chevrolet. No sale on that yet. No takers. What we got now? Just more random hubcaps. These are actually, hold on a minute. These square bodies, guys. These are 70-something square body Chevy hubcaps that fit the 16-inch wheels from back in the day. These might be worth something to somebody. Ooh, I got a Quadrajet. Yeah, look at this. This is a 70s Quadrajet without the emissions nonsense on it, with this awesome heat spacer here. Quadrajet, what's the date on it? Do I see a date? I see a 9. It might be 79, maybe, but it's been spray painted silver. That's how you know it's good. Made right up the street for me in Rochester. Where is it? Check it out. 57 Plymouth hubcaps. We got 57 and 58 Plymouths. They got 14-inch wheels on them. The hardtop does. I'm going to throw these on the hardtop. We'll do that in a minute. The score out of this box is this warning light or police light. It's a Ray, R-A-E Motor Company. And see the motor on the back here? It's 12 volts. You hook 12 volts up to it. And see the little motor? It's got a little oblong concentric there. It wobbles this GE red lens up and down, so the light flashes and goes like this and gives you like a strobe effect. I will definitely be doing something with this. I don't know what yet, but if I wanted to do my 57/58 Plymouth hardtop as a police car from like the California Kid, we've got the red wobble light for it now. Another thing I got from Chad. This is freaking awesome. Well, at the end of the video, we'll go in the garage, we'll hook this up, so stay tuned for that. We'll check it out. Check it out, because it's awesome. Never have too many plastic boxes to keep stuff in, because they don't go bad. Got this table off the side of the road. Perfect. Ooh, what's this? Oh. Another friend of mine, Gary, gave me some Mopar Poly tune-up pieces. There's plugs in here, oil filters, points and stuff. So that's Poly 318 stuff. Might be going into Plymouth. Whoa. These are things I tried to sell. Like that LS powered Trailblazer, I got the rims for them. Had them pretty much for scrap price. Nobody wanted it. Ford flathead transmission mount for a 35 on up Ford. So basically, oh, where's the rest of it? 56 Plymouth carpet set in green in here from my buddy Chad again, because he's got a green Plymouth. But I can probably use that in my 57/58 Plymouth project. It'll probably be close enough. So that's brand new in the box. It came with his car. And then let me show you one more thing, and then we'll get the gas pump out. Check out this awesome back in the day exhaust system. My friend Ted had this. He's doing a 56 Nomad for his dad. Check out how awesome this is. Hook up to the manifolds, flex pipe, thrush turbo glass pack mufflers, more flex pipe. That's as old school as it gets. Now obviously these pipes are junk, and Ted was going to throw them out. I just got them to be in the display. I'm going to hang them on the wall behind my gas station just because they're an example of old school, cobble it together and run it action. It's pretty much all they're good for now. I should just leave this sign set up permanently so everybody knows where to bring the stuff. How was that? Does this say caution? No smoking, ignition something off when pumping. Ignition must be turned off probably when pumping. So this is a Erie. So this is an Erie model 910, serial number, I can't read it. So this is an Erie pump. Can you see that? Let me zoom in. Is it clear? It's a model 910 and serial number is, looks like TD4932. I don't know where the date would be. Probably figure it out on the interwebs. But I need to find the little hanger there. But this is a shorty. And the globe goes on right here. Hose hangs on the front. This is aluminum. Here, this is all steel. I have to see if I can get the red off this and get back to the original or retouch this up. But I wanted a short pump, and I got my Tokheim tall pump that's going to go here. So I was going to build a short pump. I had something I was going to use, but I picked this up. Awesome. So I figure out how to get into it. I can bolt it down, and then I can bring my wiring down the post, make up my connections here, then go to the other pump over there. It looks like, I wonder how you do open this guy. Careful. Ooh, it's got the base. I would assume that this would be hinged somehow. I'll figure it out here. It's a small pump. Oh, what does it say? It says something else on here. Oh, something pump. Can't read that. This might have been like a farm pump or something because it doesn't have any dial on it, any indicator dial or a face on it, which I can probably put on one. But I have a gauge or a dial system that mounts off the side of a pump that I might just hang off the side of it over here just to make it look older. And do that. But that is the first pump at the gas station. Okay, I got the light inside here in the vise. Let's check it out. I'm going to turn the lights off. Are you watching? Oop. See it wobbling around in there? There's the motor on the back going around. How cool is that? Oh yeah, look on the wall over there. Super cool. Ooh, that's bright. Ooh, and it gets hot in a hurry. Holy moly. That's super cool, though. So that's it. I didn't mean to scare you. I don't usually sell stuff, but that Corvette's got to go. That Merc's got to go. As you saw, I brought home a whole bunch of junk. I got to get the tow truck cleaned up, ready to be on display in its new bay. Oh, I didn't mention we're building a new bay on the side of the gas station to house that so it can face out and be ready for action at all times. I need to rub the paint out here. It's a little faded, but that'll be on display. So look forward to more gas station content. We're going to mount the pumps, build the bay for this, get the sign up. That's going to be pretty exciting. And then in the car front, once I pedal that stuff, I can move things around and get more functional here. But for now, that's it. So I appreciate everybody watching, and you'll probably only see me sell stuff once in a great while. Today's one of the days, but sometimes things got to go. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like, leave a comment, and we'll see you again. Bam. Here, doing something at the Quick Speed Shop.